Editing indicator settings on MetaTrader 4 allows traders to adjust how an indicator behaves and how it appears on the chart. When an indicator is added to MT4, it uses a set of default inputs. These defaults can be useful as a starting point, but they may not always match the market, time frame, or trading approach being reviewed. On the chart, indicator settings can be accessed by right-clicking and opening the indicators list. This shows the indicators currently attached to that chart. From there, the selected indicator can be edited, removed, or reviewed without affecting other charts in the workspace. Inside the Settings window, the Inputs tab controls the main calculation settings. For example, a moving average may allow the period, method, and price source to be changed. A shorter period will usually make the moving average react more quickly to price changes, while a longer period will create a smoother line that responds more slowly. The Colors tab controls how the indicator appears visually. Line color, thickness, and style can be adjusted to make the chart easier to read. This is useful when several tools are used together because a clean layout can make it easier to separate one indicator from another. Some indicators also include levels or visualization settings. Levels can be useful for oscillators such as RSI, where specific zones may help identify overbought, oversold, or neutral areas. Visualization controls where the indicator appears, including whether it should show on all timeframes or only selected ones. After the settings are changed, the chart updates with the new configuration. This allows traders to compare the adjusted indicator against current price action and decide whether the changes provide a clearer view. By understanding how to edit indicator settings on MetaTrader 4, traders can build a more organized chart, tailor indicators to their preferred view, and create a workspace that is easier to follow during market analysis.